In this video, I'm going to show you how to take profit on MetaTrader 4. Now to do this, you want to go and create a new order. So just click on new order up top over here, or of course use any of the other buttons to open this order window. Then from here, you can select your symbol, the volume, and then you can see first there's stop loss, and second there's the take profit. So you can just put on a take profit, of course, whatever you want the take profit to be. You could use the arrows to go up or down, or you could type it in manually. Then if you need to, you can add a comment to your trade and then the type of your trade, or of course order you want to place. There's two right now. I'm going to do instant execution, and from here you can just go buy or sell and you are good to go. That way you're going to place an order with a take profit attached. You could also do this if you have an open order already. So I have one over here. TP is not set. You can just double click on it, and then from here you can change the type to, for example, instant execution, and you'll be able to take profit over here, and you'll then be able to basically change it over here. So that's how to take profit on MT4. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.